how to connect the Sony SRS XB100 speaker to the iPhone. So first, let's go back to the home screen. Now this is the iPhone 17. So on the Sony speaker, we're going to press on the power button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, you want to press and hold on this Bluetooth button until the light start flashing. Now it is already start flashing, but we can press on it again. Once it is start flashing, we can then connect to the iPhone. Okay, so press and hold on this Bluetooth button. And once it is start flashing, we can let go of the button. Now on the iPhone, go into settings, then tap on Bluetooth, and wait for the other devices to show the SRS XB100. It may take some time. If it does not show, you can turn off Bluetooth and switch it back on, and just wait for it to find your speaker. Now, if it does not show up in the list here, and if it has previously paired with another mobile device, you can press on the Bluetooth button and the minus button to reset it together at the same time like that. And we're going to reset. You can hear the sound go tun tun tun, so it has been resetted. So press on the power button to switch it back on. Okay, once it is showing in the list, you can tap on SRS XB100 to connect. Okay, so it is now connected. Once it is connected, you can play a song. So that's the sound coming from the speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.